Open the back zipper where the tank is stored. Pull the slide closure to open the tank. Pinching the edge of the tank slightly makes it easier to pull. Pour approximately 200 milliliters of water. Insert the frozen charge bottle. Securely close the tank opening. Secure it firmly with the slide closure. The cooling medium can be a PET bottle, 1 bottles, or 2 bottles. Or your own ice pack. There is a pocket inside the tank compartment where you can store the hiring, or an ice pack. Wearing it over compression wear enhances the cooling effect. Adjust the buckle to ensure the vest fits snugly. Take out the cable, connect it to the dedicated battery. And turn on the battery, press and hold. Turn on the power, press and hold. Press the button to change modes. It switches in the order 1, 2, 3, 1. Press and hold the button to turn off the power. These images show before and after wearing the harness.
Ice water cooling vests. Go to the next level.